If you are into lead gen business and looking to elevate your campaign performance in the middle of cookie issues and policies, watch this video fully. I've explained three main use cases that covers all your full funnel tracking and optimization problems. Let's dive into it. If your business relies at least 40% on paid ads, then the first step for you to solve is the cookie issue. And by cookie issue, I mean your data collection. With user privacy policies coming all around the globe and cookies going away, your ads won't perform well for two reasons. One, ad platforms are not getting enough data because cookies are going away. Second thing is your campaigns tracking and optimization will get affected because there is no data. Now, to overcome this, the only solution is to start collecting your first party data. First party data is your own data. It is not affected by cookie policies and it is a concerned data from your users. It is a reliable data that you can store and send to ad platforms for better optimization. If you are using Meta for lead generation, then you must be aware of CAPI. We have a full-fledged video on CAPI, especially for lead gen businesses, and I'll link the video up here. You can just watch it out on how can implement and utilize the full potential of CAPI. Data collected via CAPI can be sent to Meta via server side, and this will enhance your MQ score. And better MQ score means better audience matching. Now, the second use case is your data unification. Every lead gen business will have a CRM, and this CRM can be Salesforce, HubSpot, Go High Level, or even Excel. These are all your first party data. These data were given to you by your customer itself. So you can bring all these data into the CDP. Now, what happens here is data unification. The data collected from your website, which is anonymous users, and the data collected from your CRM, which is known users, is merged and unified into a single profile. Now, the thing here to note is that you get rich audience profiles that were combined from various sources. These audiences will have the basic information such as your name, email, phone number if they have given it, or other IDs like your FDC ID, GCL ID, browser ID. All these will be unified for better profile. With CustomerLabs, we have a dedicated space where you can see the 360-degree profile of the user, and you'll be able to understand the customer journey from the time they have visited the website to the time they have converted into a customer. Now, based on this behavior, you can create multiple audience segments. These segments will include both known users and also your anonymous users. Now, the third use case, this is very important for lead gen business, is offline conversion. Once the lead gets converted to a sale, you can import all the offline conversions from your CRM to ad platforms without any code support. Usually, when you do the offline conversion tracking, you need to import and export a lot of data, which will have the chances for you to make a manual mistake. So with CustomerLabs CDP, or you can just completely automate this process. Also, while sending the offline conversions from your CRM to ad platforms, you can append the value of the customer along with the conversion. Using this information, the ad algorithm will understand about the value of the customer. When you use this as a conversion event in your campaign, that is the optimization part, ad platforms will be able to find high value customers because it has already learned about your ICP from the offline conversions. To know more about first party data strategies for your lead gen business, book a one-on-one demo with us or join the community. The link is in the description. We share a lot of real use cases that will help you elevate the campaign performance of your lead gen business.